Well, they finally got something at our Costco. It's not much. $2.50 for that large groundbreaking skeleton. It was one they got at Party City. I don't know if there's any size difference between the two. And they've got their costume selection for little kids out. And then some cute Disney Halloween-y sort of stuff, I guess you call it. Pirate one's nice, but of course I like this one better. There's the back of the skeleton. I'm guessing that's for its light up eyes, perhaps. I know that the one from Party City doesn't have the in between the ribs painted. That's about it. Oh well. And there's also a few fall and Halloween themed doormats, kind of cute. And some rugs. And some pillows. I actually really like the bat one.